Hello and welcome to the TigrePup channel. In this video, I'll be working on this wig and we're going to see how I created this look. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so here's the wig here. I'm flat ironing the hair. I just got it out straight out of the package and I'm starting my work. Just flat iron the hair, make sure it's nice and smooth so I can get a nice even cut when I actually do get into cutting it and whatnot, because that's going to be the first step of this look. So just pressing the hair out nice and smooth because I wanted no waves or kinks or anything in the hair. And right here I'm just trimming, cutting the hair into a one length bob, blunt cut bob. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, so here is what that's looking like after I completed that look. Okay, so right here I'm just adding some highlights, just weaving some highlights in there because I wanted a certain look. So just check that out and see how I'm doing that right here. Okay, so here's what the wig is looking like while it's processing. And here's what it's looking like after I've taken the foils out. Honestly, it looked a little too bland for me, so I decided to go back in and do more lightening. Okay, so right here I'm adding some teasy lights because I felt like the ends could have looked a little bit brighter. I wasn't too happy with just the highlighted portion, but yeah, I'm just working it out and just showing you what I'm doing here. A little face framing highlights to make sure that the face is actually, the face framing highlights actually pop. So to let you know that this is a place where I wanted most of the attention. So that's what you see me doing here, and I'm going to complete this process and we're going to see how this looks in a few. Okay, so here's what the hair is looking like while it's processing. As you can see, I concentrated on the ends because I wanted more of an ombre effect. Next, I'm going in with the honey brown, and I'm going to work that color throughout the hair to make sure I got even coverage. I think I left it in for like 30 minutes, set underneath the heated dry, which is the warm or medium temperature. Like I said, for 30 minutes, and we're going to see what that result looks like in a few. Okay, so here's what the hair is looking like after I've done everything to it, and honestly, I wasn't too satisfied with it. Here is a 360 on the mannequin, so you can see what's going on. It looked a little bit too plain, so I decided to go back in with another semi-permanent hair color. You're gonna see that in a second. Okay, as we can see here, I'm going in with paprika, and I'm going to emulsify that color in to make sure I got thorough and even coverage, because I wanted a pop of color. Honestly, that honey brown, it just wasn't giving, in my opinion. So I decided to do something a little different, which is a cut or a bang. Hopefully somebody will like this type of wig, but anyway, so we're just trying something a little different, making sure a point cut, because everybody wants the feathered or look. And I'm going to face frame the layers in the front, connect it to the bang, as you can see here, and gently slither the shears throughout the hair to make sure I got a nice face framing layer going on. Okay, so right here is the finished product. As you can see, I've used the paprika, and it added a little bit more life, in my opinion, because the honey brown just wasn't giving, in my opinion. So I think a lot of people would like this particular look. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.